How's it going, Brasileiro in Bosnia? What do you have then? Walnuts. And where did you find them?
I found here, look this.
On the walnut tree.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful nature.
Yeah. Now I have to make like a curve to
Yeah,
put here on the asphalt.
yeah. And but already have some smashed one.
Oh yeah. Do you know that curve?
Yeah.
You can say what they do.
They throw them on the street, waiting the car, smash them and pick it up after.
Yeah, they are really smart.
Yeah. It's one beautiful place in the middle of the Bosnia. I don't know the name of the place. I think Doljani. I'm not sure. Oh, over there is some big dog. We will not be so happy if he jump out. Sovic.
Savic.
Sovic place, Sovic. But this mountain is something astonishing. They even have a river here was passing through the village down to the mountain. It's something amazing. Over there, look that. They have this green on the tree. It's amazing. Amazing.
And look this plant, the vegetation. Let's observe the vegetation. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's amazing. Wherever you look, it's really beautiful.
And they have zucchini.
And they have zucchini also. Lots of zucchini. To live on one place like this, you have to really appreciate nature. Because this is something really special. No, it's apple. It's apple. Look this.
Look what I found. I opened her.
It's walnut.
Walnuts. Fresh walnuts. Look, have one tent down. One van. Camp van.
It's have cave in the middle of the mountain. People live really peaceful life here. Now when you look one house, that if one day really disappear or that what we have a commodity, go in supermarket and buy food, buy this, buy that. I think this will be a place for live where you can produce food, where you can drink from the river water over there. You can produce your food on the field. You can pick it up your apples. You have your walnuts. You have your wood for winter. You have your grapes over there. You have actually sustainable life. Even in the forest, if you don't grow anything, you have some berries what you can pick it up always and prepare some fruit tea, because this is a shiipak, it's a rose tea. Prepare it from this, we buy that in supermarket. This is an oak tree. You have actually in the nature everything if you live like this.
And now Mario gonna eat the fresh nuts.
This is a nut what we was take from that tree here. And now I'm gonna eat him and tell you how much is really tasty.
The really smell of nuts. Yeah, it's really good.
Today people pay for to go on this type of place, just for stay 7 days and to taste real nature, how it is. They pay a bunch of money to feel again alive.
Feel again life.
Yeah. We stay in the concrete all day, in the concrete city, and we actually lost connection with this beauty. To feel the smell, to hear the sound, for taste real food, for walk to the valleys and enjoying every breath. It's a beautiful. It's coming fog and we are on the way to Sarajevo. See you soon.